Hi there, my name is Joelyn Lamanero and welcome to my video resume. I would like to take this opportunity to tell you a little about myself. I graduated last May 2019 pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Information Technology at Caraga State University, Ampayon, Butuan City. I am personally very passionate, very attentive, and motivated in work and in my personal life. And the last 2 years, I've been able to augment my education with hands-on experience and attained seminars and training. During my first seminar, I participated utilizing MS SQL data warehousing programs for data intelligence and analysis held at Caraga State University, Ampayon, Butuan City. And on the last day of seminar I had participated was on February 2018, which act as project manager for multi-phase project consisting of various clients across 10 plus different industries. I bring commitment, great enthusiasm, creativity, and a positive outlook to everything I do in and outside of work. I am dedicated and passionate, and I guarantee that you won't regret hiring me. Thank you so much for the time to listen. God bless.